This is the Caster, a Stratocaster with a humbucker and a single coil and a humbucker that I had special made from a luthier in China. There's a neck, but we're not going to look at that today. Anyway, I've been working on this. Last time you might have seen it on my channel. It was the unboxing of the kit. The only thing I've done so far is, as you can see, I have turned it red and I've started putting some nitro on it. I used a RIT dye for this and just rubbed it in, and the lacquer is a spray on, but we'll cover that in another video. This video is actually an unboxing video of the pickups that are going to go in this guitar. And the pickups are a little bit special because I wanted something different. And I went on Reverb, which is, in case you're not familiar with it, a website where you can buy music stuff. And I went looking for handmade or custom-made guitar pickups. And I found a guy in Russia called, well, I don't know what his name is actually, but the company is called Defter Pickups, and I think it's just one guy. I found some videos of his that demonstrated what his pickups sounded like. I really liked what I heard, and so I said, why not? I'm going to contact this guy and see if he can provide me with a set that fits. So he didn't have one, but he was willing to make one for me, and he did, and that's what we're going to look at today. I just got them in the mail yesterday, and we're going to unbox them together, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with them in the guitar as it is now. So stay tuned until the end and you'll see that, and yeah, let's get on it. If I am not mistaken, let's see if I can hold it open so you can see it. It says thank you on there. There's a little smile, if you can see that. I love the way it's packaged. Some brown paper, some good old-fashioned twine. Now, I could go ahead and try to untie this, but that's not how I roll. So we're just going to cut through this. That's strong string. Take this off, it's like Christmas. No tape required. What do we have? Well. Look at this. What could be inside this package? Well, you might already know what's inside this package, but you haven't seen it, and neither have I. Let's see if I can open it without damaging anything. That would be nice. Oh, I see some tape here. It's very well packaged, I would say that. How cool is that? There's some screws. With springs on them. These are typical pickup mounting screws. This would be the middle pickup. This would be one of the not middle pickups. And this is the other one. Not middle pickup. There we go. Okay. I'm getting excited now. I mean, I've been excited for a while, but now I'm getting really excited. Oh my God, that's beautiful. So I wanted it with a black top, and this is even more beautiful than I expected. I don't know if you can see that. It's just like blackened chrome. It's really, really nice. It's not. It doesn't look like just spray painted, a spray painted cover. It looks really nice. And on the bottom, this is the neck pickup. Very thick, nice work here. He has his name in there. It says neck and Defter Pickups. In case you can't see it from here, I'm not sure if it's visible or not on the camera. That's beautiful. Beautiful pickup. Now, there we go. Cloth wire. Again, the bottom says middle Defter. Smells very new. You can smell the wax on it. It's very nice, pretty. Looks really well made. Obviously, I haven't heard it yet, but if looks are anything to go by, this is not bad at all. These pull pieces look really like solid and thick, for lack of a better word. I don't know why they look different. I'm sure they're the same size. Anyway, we have one more pickup to go. It's going to probably look a lot like this one. I'm not going to share with you what the final price is, out of respect for the man who made this work. He gave me a nice discount because he knew I was going to make a video out of it, and I would have been happy to pay. Ooh, almost cut my finger. Would have been happy to pay full price, and I'm going to go order some more pickups from this guy because this is just amazing music. And of course, just to confirm, it says Bridge Defter Pickups. Actually, just says Defter, but Defter Pickups. Definitely check out his Reverb store, which I will link to in the description of this video. And the next step, of course, will be to combine these guys with this. I got this a while back. It's a 3-ply white pickguard and back plate for the guitar. These will be mounted in it. And what you haven't seen yet is that the neck, you might have seen it in the unboxing, but the neck of the guitar has black block inlays in the neck instead of dots. And that's why I went with this whole black cover idea in the first place, and I can't wait to see how it all comes together. But they don't look very black in this light, but maybe if I get closer the camera will adjust. You can see the pickups installed and the kill switch that I'm going to be putting in. I'm going with a master volume and tone. I don't have the volume in there yet because it's a pull pot that I don't have. It's on order. So that'll be coming in the next couple days. And of course you can see I'm not quite there with the body yet. I need to fix some orange peel issues there. But I'm getting there. We're getting closer and closer. This is what it looks like now. I'm very excited to put this together and play it.